Asan yung kulay red blue, kuya? Eh, bakit hindi na pumasok sa blue na sila? Kaso po na
ang paglalakad-lakad at tayo po ay inaanayahang magsimula sapagkat magpapasimula. Ladies and gentlemen, honorable guests, parents, and to everyone who are joining this momentous event, we are requesting for your attention as we now commence the processional of the Maranatha Christian Christian Academy of Novaliches movers, completers, and candidates for graduation for academic year 2024-2025. To begin the processional, let us all welcome the movers from Nursery Joy. Eldoran Noah Ethan S. At this moment, it is with honor and pride that we presenting the cancer graduate senior school department. Start grade 12 dignity. Let us now welcome the male candidates for graduation, the accountants, business and management. Diana Grill, Whisker. Visconde Huge Car, Other. Let us now welcome the female candidates for graduation from the Agency and Business Management strand. Kabataga Thea, her father. Cleophas Maria Feast with her cousin. Corinne Lee Isa with her mother. De Castro Chanel with her father. Brasilia John Alray with his mother. Please remain standing for the doxology, which will be followed by spiritual singing to be led by Mr. Aldrin Benavista and Teacher Jade Estopa.
conclusion, O Lord, and may it be a reminder that every ending is also a new beginning. Walk with our graduates as they take their next steps, and may they always find strength and guidance in you. We ask all this in your holy name. Amen.
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Bayang mahimik, pero sa sikatanan, alam ng puso, sa higit mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyang na ng mahimik, sa mandulupin, di ka pasisingin, sa dagatang bulong sa simulan, sa langit ko bagaw, kayo na ng tula, awit sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang pagkawat ko'y tagumpay na nakikinig, ang pituloy na karoon niya, kailan pa may di matitigil, luman ang araw ng maraming pagsimula, ko'y langit sa piling mo, ang ligaya ng pagkay manapin, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Graduation season again, and kila ma'am ko, and hindi ko mapigilan nung nagma-march ako dito, nakikita ko nakapila yung mga magulang, hindi ko mapigilan na maging sentimental din. You know, I'm 43 years old. Nag-graduate ako ng high school, ng elementary 1996, ng high school year 2000, ng college 2004. And tuwing merong graduation, hindi ko mapigilan kung di maalala yung konting kwento ng aming pamilya. Merong 3 points ako na gustong ihatid sa inyo lahat ngayon sa mga nagtatapos. At naman ipaayos yung kisame ng bahay namin kasi babagyo na naman, ang unang binabaha sa amin yung kisame hindi masaya. Dami namin iniisip kung bakit siya mas madalas nalulungkot at nahuhuli namin umiiyak. At hindi namin alam ito until nag-graduate ng college yung kuya ko, si Councilor Alfred Vargas. Nung nag-graduate siya ng high school pala. Nag-graduate siya ng high school. Kinausap siya ng mami ko at sabi ng mami ko sa kanya, "Anak, pasensya ka na. Kailangan mo maghanap ng ibang paaralan." Nangaalaskat, nangaasar, lagi ko siyang niloloko nun. At sabi ko sa kanya lagi nun, "Artista ka nga, wala ka namang bagong kotse. Artista ka nga, wala ka namang bagong damit. Wala ka namang bagong cellphone." Kahit nung mga panahon na yun, puro black and white pa lang yung cellphone natin. Lagi ko siyang niloloko ng gano'n at hindi ko rin naintindihan kung bakit ang kuripot niya pagdating sa sarili niya. Only to find out that after 2 years, ako na yung nag-graduate ng high school at nagkataon, nakapasa din ako sa political science program ng Ateneo sa college. Pero wala akong pambayad. Alam ko na hindi ako doon magka-college. Hanggang sa pumunta sa akin yung kuya ko, may dala siyang cheque. PM, bayad na yung first year mo ng college. Huwag mong sayangin to, pinaghirapan ko. Kaya pala wala siyang bagong kotse. Kaya pala siya walang bagong gamit. Kasi sinabi sa kanya ng mami ko, katulad ng ginawa ko sa inyo, huwag mong pabayaan yung bunsong kapatid. And during that 1 year, hindi ko alam, grabe pala magmahal yung kapatid ko sa akin, kahit lagi kong inaasahan. Pero, sabi ko rin naman sa sarili ko, ayoko maging pabigat sa kanya buong college ko. Kaya, naisipan ko na kailangan buhatin ko rin yung sarili ko. And kung hindi ninyo alam, lalo na sa mga high school graduates natin na nandito. Guys, may mga panahon noon na walang Facebook. May mga panahon noon na ang cellphone namin ay black and white lang. May mga panahon noon ang Oppo, Android, Samsung, iPhone, lahat yan. Wala yung mga cellphone na yan. Ang mga uso na brand namin noon, nung panahon ng magulang ninyo, ang alam namin na cellphone ay Nokia 5110, Nokia 6210, Ericsson, Alcatel. Sa mga may edad dyan, ano pa ba yung mga tatak na uso? Meron ba? Ano pa ba? Motorola, yung mga flip phone pa. Pero lahat kami noon, isa lang yung game na pwede namin laruin sa cellphone na yan. Sa black and white cellphone na yan. Anong game yon? Yan, alam nyo rin. Snake. Diba? Pero noon din kasi, wala pang tinatawag na load. Kung gusto mo makatext, ang bibilin mo ay hindi load ang tawag kung hindi prepaid card. Yung prepaid card na yan, bibili mo yung plastic card, kasi mo ng piso. Pagkatapos nun, ipa-plug mo yung number sa cellphone mo. Then pwede ka na mag-text at tumawag sa mga friends mo. Sa friends mo. Hindi pa Facebook. Tapos po nun, isip ko, teka, ba't ganun? Sa atin na yung walang nagbebenta kahit isang tao nitong prepaid card na ito. Pero halos lahat ng estudyante may cellphone. Kaya simula nun, 2 bag na yung dala ko, 1 bag na puno ng libro, at 1 bag na puno ng prepaid cards. At ako lang yung nagbebenta noon, and magugulat kayo sa simpleng negosyo na ginawa natin noon, yung prepaid card na yan, na pagbebenta, ang nagbayad ng 2nd year college ko, nagbayad ng 3rd year college ko at bagong kotse ko, nagbayad ng 4th year college ko at nagbayad ng law school program ng Ateneo. Dahil lang sa pagbebenta ng prepaid card. Diba? So okay, nakagraduate kami. Lumipas po ang ilang taon. Mga magulang natin. Ganyan ba kayo magpasalamat? Ang hina naman? Lakasan nyo naman! Samahan nyo ng konting sigaw! Lakasan nyo ba? Sigaw nyo, thank you, Mommy! Sigaw nyo, thank you, Daddy! Sigaw nyo, thank you, teachers! At mamaya, kung ano man ang plano ninyo after, magpa-Vikings man kayo dito, kakain kayo kahit sa... Punta kayo sa kwarto nila bago kayo matulog. Sabihin nyo lang sa kanila, hindi namin sasayangin itong ginagawa nyo for me. Thank you, Ma'am. Thank you, Dad. At napakalaking bagay na noon para sa aming mga magulang. Huwag kayong maghintay. That is lesson number 1. My first message for you. The second one is very short. Tingnan ninyo mga katabi ninyo ngayon. Yan ang mga kaibigan ninyo habang buhay.
Congratulations!
Thank you very much, Dr. Ressa and Sir Riddell. We are inviting you to please stay and to be joined by our school administration. Let us call in to hand the diplomas to our completers and graduates. Thank you very much, everyone. Acaba de Falia Ray.
Nalaglag!
Pilit kong pinangahawakan.
Tapos yung yung
Sa tuwing
magsalita,
napupunta ako
pasok
sa
sa
puso.
puso.
Sa tuwing mapupunta ako sa sitwasyon, hindi ko na alam kung
Pwede
sino
itong pang
matatakot
motivation.
na kung sino ang malalapitan ko. Ito ay isang paalala na ang Diyos ay ating masasandalan at matatagpuan sa lahat ng oras. Lahat ng mga pagsubok at balaki na ating naranasan ay hindi magsisilbing masakit na alaala upang maging dahilan upang tuluyan ng maputol ang pakpak sa ating paglipad tungo sa pangarap natin hinahanap.
Strap. Diana Ariel Char P. Visconde Eugen Carr. Cleophas Maria Therese S. Kabotahe Althea Kim D. Coronel Elian Iza A. De Castro Shaneline A. Galarza Marla Joy S. Prado Shekinah Eunice D. Navarro Juliana C. Rahambilia Nerys B. And Flores Isabel E. Let us now welcome our graduates from Humanities and Social Sciences track of Ensenya David Sean A. De La Cruz Kian B. Jamie R. Let us all welcome the graduates from Information and Communication Technology. First batch, Lianan Ariel Char P, Vanguard of Justice, Visconde Eugen Carr, with honors Loyalty Awardee, Cleophas Maria Therese S, Patriots Honor, Kabotaje Althea Kim D, Best in Research, with honors and Loyalty Awardee, and Coronel Ian Iza A, with honors Siklab Dance Troupe Awardee. Congratulations, and parents, you may now give the awards. Thank you very much po, and congratulations. Let us now welcome the second batch of awardees from Grade 12 Dignity. Second batch of awardees, De Castro Sheneline A, with honors Timothy Circle Awardee and Best in Research, Gilarzo Marlo Joy S, with honors the Club Dance Troupe Awardee and Special Award in Sports, Prado Shekinah Eunice D, with honors SSG Leadership Awardee, Loyalty Awardee, and Best in Research. Navarro Juliana C, with honors Best in Research, Reambilio Laris
Si Yuri ay grade 4.
Dear parents, you may continue to give your gifts to your children. What a beautiful moment is this right now. Congratulations po.
Thank you, Mami.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga hard work and well-organized. Before we give you time to hand in your gifts to them, and after po, we are requesting everyone to go back to their respective seats. And congratulations po. You can continue to give out your gifts po. Congratulations everyone.
Ayan, nakakaiyoso.
Sige talaga! Minutuso.
Bigay mo kay Shay Shay.
Congratulations.
Congratulations! Papa, sakit yung papay.
For all their hard work and support and love.
Ha?
And once again, after the magbigay ng gifts, please go back to your seats. Meron pa pong next part of the program. Once again, parents, give your gifts to your children and congratulate them. And if you're done po, please receive and go back to your seats po for the next part of our program.
Sinali ko na yung kanyang girlfriend. Thank you po, ma'am. Hindi ko malimutan yung MC. Diyan na lumaki yung anak ko.
Alright, thank you very much.
Mami, ha!
Please settle.
Malaki na sa amin. Congratulations.
We would be needing everyone's attention. Thank you very much, parents. Once again, we are requesting everyone to please settle down po. Maraming salamat.
Come on, brother, if you need a hand.
All right. Then at this moment, as we move along po with our program, please be seated po. Thank you very much. You again, but now it's time to go. It's not the end. I'll see you again, but now it's time to go. Goodbye, my friend. And so, I know I've been doing this yearly, but this year it has a little bit of in my heart. Ladies and gentlemen, to all our dear guests, parents, and to everyone who's here, I have been your master of ceremony. I am teacher Arian de Guzman, the advisor of grade 12 Resilience, the English teacher of the senior high school department, and I am more than proud and honored to be once again presenting to you the completers and graduates of the Maranatha Christian Academy of Novaliches academic year 2024-2025. To God be all the glory.